วัสดีค่ะ and today I want to help you understand Thai joke ดูนะคะ ชอบ the word ชอบ means to likeผู้หญิง girl or woman ผม is hair ยาว is long ครับ makes us know that it's a guy. So crab is particle, polite particle for men. Next, let's go literal. Because women hair long. So women with long hair. Long hair, we say that women's hair long. So long hair is ผมยาว ดูแล is to take care. ผมดี take good care of her own hair. Take care, hair, good. So she takes good care of her own hair. Where is it funny here? So it's funny because look, the word ผม can mean two things. The word ผม can also mean I for men. For example, I would say ฉัน for women. Or sometimes for women, when I say I would say my name. But for men, it will be ผม used for men. It's an I for men, an I for women. Very good. So this is why it's funny. I like a girl who has long hair, and said a guy, because a girl with long hair takes good care of me and her own hair.